Make a medicine ball with me at home. These are the ingredients. Feel free to screenshot. Grab a pot, add 1 cup of water, and then 1.5 cups of lemonade. Then it's recommended to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey. I did add a gunk because I like it. Then you're going to stir until it all comes together. After that, you're going to go ahead and pour into your mug, and then you're going to add your tea bags. Let them steep for about 5 minutes, and it gives it that yummy, rich looking color. I do want to give a shout out to fransfave.com because that's where I got the recipe, and it is beyond delicious.